This is a MacBook Pro USB-C model. Model number is A1708. Let's check. This is coming from no power. When we inject USB-C, it's convert 5 volt to 20 volt, taking 0. Approximately 1 amp, 1.0292, approximately 1 amp. It's taking approximately 1 amp, but no power. When trying to power board, it's not powering. It's taking 1 amp and above, but unable to power on. Let's open and check. This MacBook Pro 1708 have a cable issue. Display cable is cut. We are repair this display cable. Now after repairing, we use solder mask mark ink, and this ink need to dry. For drying purpose, we use ultrasonic light. This is green ink. This is one type of one type of paint, board paint. Now we are drying this. This is the cable, and we use ink to drying. These are all solder points. Let's see after that display is coming or not. This MacBook Pro, we repair this cable. This is the display cable. Inside we fit board. Now let's on and check what happened. Is display is coming or not? System is on, taking an amp, 20 volt converting. Laptop is turning on. Display also coming. We successfully repair this display cable. Ordinary service center and all service centers and all not repair this cable. They suggest to replace screen, whole screen assembly, and we are repairing this. We are successfully repaired this. If you have these types of problem, this is a common problem of these models 1706, 1707, 1708 MacBook Pro. All have this common problems, and we are repair this one. Now this maybe need to OS installation. Today's case study of this MacBook Pro is solved. Thank you.